Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the very of the Tempo Challengers jersey. We are really that I'd like to introduce to you all our dignitaries on stage and tribute of welcome. Starting with our chairman of the Cricket Club and the managing director of Tempo Vision Group, director of the Goa Cup.
Let me at the outset state how honored Rajesh, Yatish and me are for having you all at the Tempo House. This is a very special moment for us, and I'd like to welcome all of you, especially the organizers, Panjim Gymkhana, both Manoj and Rajesh, who've done a phenomenal job. The body that is promoting cricket as well as regulating cricket, my friend Suraj, who is here representing the Goa Cricket Association. Our sponsors, which have really partnered with us, that is Mr. Dalvi is there of HDFC and his entire team is here, as well as Siddharth of ASK. Both these companies, we are privileged to have had a long partnership, and I'm glad that we've been able to partner into yet another venture, that is sports, which is so dear to our heart. The Tempo family over the last 5 decades have believed solidly in sports, and this is the only business that we don't mind losing money, because this is becoming foolishly passionate. You know, as we stand here, we've invested more than 20 crores in a football academy, which we also lose 2 crores every year, in addition to losing 20 crores. But I don't call it losing, I call it investing, because the whole promise is for young Goan boys who come out of nowhere. And I'll give you some good news. 2 of our boys who joined our academy today are taken on loan by Indian Arrows team for the I-League. So that's actually the dividend that we get. And the I-League coach has told me that if these boys perform well, he says don't be surprised that they'll be taken by ISL clubs in the future. So this is what actually the dividend in sports is. And this is yet another opportunity. I must thank Panjim Gymkhana for coming up with this unique league. I think everybody enjoys cricket, and the kind of cricket that they are proposing. I mean, I was really pleasantly surprised at the auction, the way they conducted the auction. And both my friends Manoj and Rajesh are here. I really didn't expect this kind of an arrangement. You know, you really felt so good. And many of my friends are my competitors. Nandan is sitting here, who's a very dear friend. And you know, in a lighter vein, though I want to win every time that I play, I don't mind losing to people like him. So it's more of fun, it's more of being together, it's more of, but my players are here, please win for us. Don't get a different message. And I think all the teams are very well balanced. I was watching the auction with great detail. I think the way the auction came through, I think everybody is so balanced that it can be anybody's game. So I also take this opportunity to wish all my competitors, Nandan is physically present, but all, you know, Bale, Prescon, then Tanmay, all of them, that let's all have a good game. And I'm sure with the dynamic management of Panjim Gymkhana, we will definitely have a lot of fun. A word for the sponsors. You know, we've actually are very honored to partner with you. Both are solid brands. HDFC in banking, you know, is a game changer for India. You know, the way HDFC did, and I remember when your erstwhile chairman came here, Mr. Puri, and he sat with me, and you know, he was very upset. He said that, and just imagine, I mean, he's such a big man, you know, we are a small account for him. He said, I have a grievance and a complaint. He says, why is there a Bank of India ATM machine in your office? And why not an HDFC ATM? So he was that detailed. And you know, he really tried to pursue, but I said, unfortunately, they are our tenants, and I can't go against my tenancy agreement. But what I'm saying is the kind of relationship that has been built and carried over by the local team, and we really take a lot of pleasure and pride in associating with you. Also, ASK has been our wealth management advisory partners for many, many years. I know Siddharth's senior team, which comes from Bombay. They are very dear friends of mine. Siddharth is a friend. And actually, for the first time, I was joking with the president, Manoj, that this is the only tournament where we will at least try not to lose money. Because really the sponsorship came through a lot of, personal sort of goodwill and the support for the tournament. I think I must thank both SGFC and ASK, and I told Manoj that this is just the beginning, and I think, now they will try and raise the amounts for the next tournament, because this has been just the beginning. A word for the players. I mean, we are very fortunate to have you all. I warmly welcome you to our team, and my coach Prashant, who is there, has been a veteran in cricket. Unfortunately, Nandan took his son away, but we have a great team, and I'm sure I wish you all the best. Let's have a lot of fun together, apart from winning every match, which I told you. But let's have a lot of fun together, and I'm sure with most of you also passionate about cricket, we are going to have a good game. So once again, a warm welcome on behalf of the Dempo Group, and we've also been stakeholders in cricket for a very long time. We've had a cricket team which has won many of the state laurels. So we will continue with this good game apart from football, where we are very, very emotionally connected. And once again, a warm welcome and have a great evening. Thank you.
For acquiring a team in PGML, the Panjim Gymkhana Members League. The Dempo family has always been, I think, more biased towards football. But this time, I could see the passion in Baba that, he wanted this team. Not only that, even after he acquired the team, he came personally and sat through the whole auction process, selecting the players. That goes to show that now cricket is occupying a part of the space of his brain, which is a very, very welcome sign for cricket in Goa. And I think we all should hope that the Dempo Group invests more and more of time and resources and brain space or mind space into cricket. Because PGML, although is only going to be more of an entertainment or a competitive entertainment for members of Panjim Gymkhana, one thing we can assure you on behalf of Gymkhana, that Rajesh and me, we have Rajesh Hote and me, there are two Rajeshes sitting next to each other. Our Honorary Secretary Rajesh and me, we have one aim. We want to see that we develop, within the next 365 days, we develop our own member cricket player who is going to represent Goa. That is our aim. And this is going to be the starting point. The first tournament, which is going to start from the league, which is starting from the 7th, is going to be a starting point. And for all you know, it could be from amongst the Dempo Challengers team, who could be tomorrow representing Goa. Because we are having a lot of resources being put in with the thanks to the support we're receiving from GCA. We're putting in full-fledged efforts to see that we revive cricket in Panjim to such a level that we'll have Panjim Gymkhana members representing the state. Because it's been a while that it has not happened. Coming back to the tournament, we're starting on the 7th. 7th is a Friday. We had to reschedule the dates a little bit because there is a BCCI event which is happening, the Under-16 event. That is why we rescheduled the dates a little bit. But I would like to request all of you to please come and enjoy the games, the league. It's going to be fun. Besides serious competitive cricket, there's going to be a lot of entertainment, family participation, lot of fan base which is happening, and the kind of social media wars which have started within the teams, it's crazy. If you are not following them, I request all of you to please follow all the teams as well as PGML on Facebook, on Instagram, because there are so many things which are happening. It's going to be fun, and now they have started competing with each other on social media. I said, what are you going to do when you reach on the field? You're fighting already so much competitively on the social media as to whose captain is better and whose bowler is faster. I think that goes to show the excitement which is in store. I would like to once again wish Dempo Challengers all the best for this tournament and all the players, and thank the sponsors of Dempo Challengers for having played a part in success of our tournament. And obviously next year I will make sure that Rajesh and me will reach you faster than Baba. Thank you once again and congratulations to Dempo on your event today of Jersey and Thank you.
Dempo Cricket Club and the chairman of Dempo Group of Industries, my friend Baba Dempo, president of Panjim Gymkhana, Manoj Kakulo, vice president Rajesh Dempo, my friend secretary Rajesh Vaute, Siddharth, other dignitaries of the dais and all players, everybody present here. It gives me great pleasure to say that Panjim Gymkhana under leadership of Manoj Kaute and Manoj Kakulo and Rajesh has done a tremendous job. Not only organizing this tournament, but to revive Panjim Gymkhana. See, Panjim Gymkhana has a long history. Goa Cricket Association, now we may be housed in Porvorim, but all cricket in Goa started in Panjim Gymkhana. Panjim Gymkhana was the only ground which was approved by BCCI and MCC became later. Now, we have promised them that Panjim Gymkhana will be once again become a BCCI center, and now we are hosting a BCCI Under 16 tournament, Panjim Gymkhana, and also Ranji Trophy matches will start at Panjim Gymkhana. Now coming back to this tournament, this is very well organized, very systematically organized. Although I was not there for auction, but what the information I got was very systematic and very encouraging. But as I discussed with Manoj and Rajesh, this tournament, it's all more of an entertainment, as Manoj said. I request them to make this tournament for under 16 and under 19 on similar pattern so that cricket will benefit and Goa Cricket Association will benefit out of that, and you will be able to produce a good cricketer that will represent Goa. Also, I request Baba, as he owns this team, I was discussing him for 2 minutes now. I got a chance to establish a cricket academy, and I'm sure I will guarantee you that will not, it will not be loss making. Both things can coexist, and you will make money also, and you will help Goa Cricket Association and the state to produce good cricketers. And we will give you full technical support or whatever support from NCA, BCCI, whatever is required. And you will help. See, the main aim of taking corporate clubs like Dempos or MPT, other day I had invited MPT people to us. Very sad not to talk bad about them or talk bad about anything. They take grants. I told him the main aim was to give you all membership of Goa Cricket, full membership of Goa Cricket Association that time, because that time there was no money in cricket. To see that you will support cricket, develop some infrastructure, or at least play your team in Premier Division, not in C and B Division and take grants from us. That is not done. I said, you please correct yourself. We want to see your team playing in Premier Division so that Goa Cricket Association will benefit, or we will decide to cancel your membership. Very clear. Same thing with MRF. MRF advertise a lot, but if you see what they are doing for Goa, nothing. We have now Goa Cricket Association has reached each and every remote areas of Goa. We have a cricket center in Perne. We have a cricket center in Dhar Banoda. We have a cricket center in Mashe. We have a cricket center in Sange. Then we have planning 2 academies here. 3 academies in fact. One at MCC, one at Panjim Gymkhana, one at over Porvorim. So we are doing our bit. But then at Dhar Banoda we requested them. I said, it is very near, just outside your gate. Why don't you run that? We will give you a coach. We will give you everything. But they were reluctant. I said, how you cannot do anything? If you see, I see television, you are advertising so much. We have given you membership. Why you are not doing anything for Goa? I said, we will rethink about your membership. This is what I told them. But I request Baba also. Your team should play. Your team is already in Premier Division. Gymkhana, I am telling you, you should play in Premier Division. You should constitute under 16, under 19 teams, so that one day will come. You will be proud to say that these 5 players, like earlier used to happen, Prashant must be agreeing. 5-6 players from Panjim Gymkhana was a part of Ranji team. 5-6 players from Dempo should be a part of Ranji team, and eventually they should play for India. This should be the goal. This tournament is okay, but think of serious tournament, doing a serious tournament. Goa Cricket Association will fully support you. Thank you very much and all the best.
Manoj Bab, Suraj Bab, Rajesh Bab, Rajesh Kaute Bab, and
Siddharth, my friend. So, good evening all. On behalf of HDFC Bank family, I would like to share my heartiest congratulations to the team Dempo Challenges for launching their team jersey. The jersey raises the morale of the players and encourages them to give the absolute best for the team they are representing. It creates unity among the team when they are wearing the same jersey. The play work as a team. Having a strong team is often more important for success than having exceptional individuals. If a team wants to win together, they'll need to be filled together, and this principle is not only applicable to a sport, but it's valid for every organization or groups who are working in teams. At HDFC Bank, we believe the same, and we are a team of almost 66 branches in Goa with 140 ATMs, ranked as third largest bank. We were the second, but because of the merger of some nationalized bank, we've been positioned as the third largest bank, and in terms of advance, it's the second largest bank in Goa. So I want to thank all the people sitting here who are, and the dignitaries there, including Nandan, Tanmay and others, who has helped this bank to grow, to this scale. And I'm sure with the support of you, we will scale up much, much better. And I also take this opportunity to, confirm my participations in all the events. I can trust Manoj and Rajesh Koteba for all the events. Whenever they've done events, they've done it very professionally. They've done it so well. I've seen the kind of the way they're running Gymkhana or Gaspar Dias or any clubs Manoj and Rajesh is associated with. So I have no doubts of, when the proposal came, there were two heavy things. One was that it was been organized by the idea was Manoj Kakul and Rajesh, and then on top of that, to join hands with Dempos was big thing for us as well. So we are also feeling privileged that we are, tying us with a group of Dempos for such an event. Incidentally, I'm the favorite of Dempos from my childhood days, right from the football tournaments which used to happen in Margam in MCC Ground Club. And incidentally, when I was reading, I also found that the year I born, the Dempo Group, 1968 was founded, I was told. So I go back to Mahesh and Nicholas, all those football players and those kind of things. And good to see Dempo Group, as he said, money making is not the idea behind the sport, and we are fortunate that we have people like you in the state of Goa. Once again, all the best for the team, and I want to want my team, which we are associated, to be part of the finals and the winners of the finals with a good competition and with all that. So once again, thank you very much for giving us an opportunity to be part of it. Thank you so much.
ASK Wealth Advisors, which is one of India's most trusted and respected wealth advisory and asset management platforms. So the first thought that crossed my mind when I got to know Panjim Gymkhana, one of Goa's prominent sporting clubs, is organizing this year's members Premier League at such a grand level. The immediate idea was to associate with it. So many congratulations to Panjim Gymkhana team for organizing it in such a professional manner. So we at ASK are proud and happy to associate and partner with Dempo Cricket Club, which is Goa's premier cricket club, and more so ever because the club is owned by someone whose passion for sports and contribution towards sports, we at ASK believe remains unparalleled. So on behalf of the ASK family, I would thank Chairman Mr. Dempo for giving us the opportunity to partner with your team, and we look forward to a continued association in the years ahead to come. Thank you, sir. Also, I would like to wish the team all the very best for the season, and I'm sure and confident that you'll be the champions in the tournament. Thank you.
Question first. Anything, and I think Mr. Dalvi said it earlier, anything that is done by clubs like Panjim Gymkhana, Gaspar Dias, there is a certain amount of confidence that it is done well. And in this case, reverse happened. Neither Manoj nor Rajesh contacted me. I contacted Manoj and said, what is this all about? And when you all are doing it, I am pretty confident that things will be great. And I have also been a Panjim Gymkhana member. I remember the first time I went to Panjim Gymkhana is there's some of the old players will know that somebody wanted to throw Anil Angle out, and we were all asked to vote for Anil Angle, and there was, you remember that incident?
It was the Kishore Angle.
I don't know. some Angle, and I was a young boy, and that was my first memory of, and I said, all this infighting. But I think as a teamwork, the phenomenal work that they've done. I mean, I have been there for when they opened the Panjim Gymkhana again, and you know, the kind of facilities that are available for members today. So I thought, being from Panji, our family is based in Panji for a number of years, you know, maybe 300-400 years at least, because our old house is testimony to that. And I said that it will be just fair and great that the family participates in any such major event, which is for the benefit of Panjim and for Goa as a whole. That's number one. Number two is, like Suraj said, I also believe that this could be a beginning to a bigger game. Okay? And while all this is fun and it's great, but somewhere down the line, you are giving a forum to somebody to show your talent, to show your capabilities. And I think if it's done well, then the next step perhaps could be, as Suraj says, comparative cricket. And as Dempos, we are already in comparative cricket. Okay. It, to some extent, may not be as large as football. So we thought that we should make an entry so that it gives up a proper forum, probably to judge and analyze as to how far the family could go in cricket. So that was two. As far as hurdles are concerned, you know, there are hurdles in everything that you go through. I remember the first time when 2 or 3 employees of ours came and said, you know, sir, we want to start a cricket team. I said, you put your own money and start. I mean, we are spending so much on football. Why should I start a cricket team? But then I saw the passion in them. I think that time it was Mr. Gaitonde, who was our senior advisor for the shipbuilding. Then Mr. Lavande, who was our purchase head, who came again and said, please have a rethink. You know, and then I said that if not for cricket, at least do it for my employees. Okay, and I never thought that they will be successful. But as luck would have it and their hard work, we did pretty well, at least in the Goan scenario. We've won a couple of tournaments of GCA, and you know, we've given a tough fight. So that's why I said that anything that you start, probably the passion of all the stakeholders is very important. And hurdles will come, but you can cross those hurdles and, you know, make it great. So we are hopeful that this could be another mechanism for us, another vehicle for us, where we could play a larger role in cricket, as Manoj and Suraj have said. Thank you.
We are the only cricket association who are having the permission from BCCI to organize this tournament. Then came the conflict of interest when IPL started. Then we renewed and revived our permission to Goa corporate leagues, where corporate can participate, and that is how it is happening now. So Dempos also can participate. Dempo can participate being a corporate, but the players, it has to be either their employee or they have to have them with them as a team. So this is the rule. But past 2 years, because of Corona, it was not held. Now we'll have to see. Again, some developments are there, but we are treading very cautiously. But this year, if it happens, it happens. It will happen as a corporate league.
So, if we have to get it back to the original model of having all Goan franchises to play, like Kakulo also had a team.
Yeah.
So, that model could be done by if Panjim
but it has to be competitive cricket.
Yes, exactly. With real auction.
Yeah, real auction.
Could it be taken up,
to have
Manoj Bal?
that many players and all. So that we can do. Yeah.
The kind of event which was held a couple of years back where a lot of our teams were there was participation or the players were the GCA approved or BCCI registered players. Now there is some legality issue to allow them to play in this kind of tournaments. Am I right? Yeah, so that is why those players who represent the state can't participate. Or at that point of time, we were allowed to get players from other states also, which we were spending money and getting it. Now that is not allowed because of these all new norms at BCCI. So that kind of tournament looks unlikely. But one thing I can tell you, depending on we are very confident that PGML will be a success. But you have to understand that PGML is Panjim Gymkhana Members League. If this is successful, if we get a good response from the spectators, from the fans, from the media, as far as covering this is concerned, then we definitely would not mind doing it ourselves. Without, obviously, we cannot have the GCA or BCCI registered players to participate because they will require their permission. Otherwise, we can definitely look at something doing on our own. Besides the members, so this kind of thing for corporates, something of this sort. Because what we are doing is a lot of first-timer things. Like for example, of course, we cannot have live telecast, we can't afford it. But we are going to have live, there is an app called Creek, what is it? Creek Heroes. Creek Heroes. So the match is going to be live on that Click Heroes. Then there is going to be coverage, there's going to be all the fanfare that comes with the IPL match. So we definitely would like to take it beyond the PGML scene to other members, other players as well.
You can have the mic brought over to you. Gentlemen, if we can have you face forward for photographs, please. And we'll have one more picture with the judge.
अरे आनंद, हम सब हाँ
And with the reverse side as well. Thank you, members of the press, and thank
Thank you.